welcome back to my channel. This is me, Celine again, and this vlog is about my pimple. Kanang naadari na ko pa siya. So yes, forgive me about that. And ako sa Consolacion, Cebu. Oh, nasad sila dere. Hello guys, it's Marianne. Yes, it's been a while guys. I'm really sorry na wala na ako nakapost of vlog. Like, I was so busy. I've been to, you know, Hong Kong, Macau, and Palawan, and I was so busy with the business, and I was so busy with so many things. I was so busy because of my visa, and chuchu ever, and chuchu ever, and chuchu ever, busy sa work, and chuchu ever. So I'm really sorry about that. Chuchu ever, I don't know what that chuchu ever means, but yes. Welcome to our vlog. Na ako sa SM Consolacion, and yes, I still have this one. Wag bujinggit. Yes, version bujinggit. And yes, na humanamig ka takanta. Humanamig tanaw sa my X and Y's. It's really a bitter gid tanan nga movie, but I think it's okay. It's not the best for me, but it's fine. It's okay. So what can you say? I am not enough. Pangit ba ako? Palit ba ako? Oh, but then why? So light! Oh my god, what happened to the light? Uy, ang atong bag. Balik na dito. So yo guys, I don't know, kinda confusing kini nga vlog. Nag-intro ko last night, and then dito ko na ni karon. I don't know. This is just like a whatever vlog. Yes, whatever vlog.
How do I feel you want me when you're not on my skin? Why do you say you want me, then tell me you're not coming in? Baby, just come on in. Yeah. 'Cause every time I'm with you, I go into a zone, and I remember.
Hello guys, nako ila Mary and Caron, and it's crazy. I don't know what they're doing, but they're dancing the Guadalupe thing. I still have my pimples, so sorry about that. Yes, tingnan them all. Crazy. Dali ko nagstay sa ila Mary and kay nakoy medical tomorrow. Oh, it's so dark. But yes, okay. Nakoy medical tomorrow, so nagstay ko dali ila Mary and there's Cebu. So yeah, that's the update. So yeah. Sama to. Oh my god.
She could have been a stripper and she probably would.
this house. Maybe they don't understand.
Charity house.
Charity house. I don't know, but yes. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay guys, magsumba na po daw sila. So, okay. This is so rated SPJ. I didn't know that they're gonna be like that. So.
And when she passed me by, and we know we can smile, and I was on cloud nine.
Oy!
Running around the world.